Let's start question number first of exercise 4.3. Question is fill in the blanks. A part is 1 upon 8 multiplied by 16 is equal to dash. See what to do. First of all, we will write the whole number as fraction by placing 1 as denominator. So this will become 1 upon 8 multiplied by 16 upon 1. Okay, here I have written the whole number as fraction by placing 1 as denominator. Clear? Now what we have to do, we have to multiply the numerators and the denominator. So 1 multiplied by 16 and 8 multiplied by 1. Numerators are 1 and 16 and denominators are 8 and 1, so multiply it. 1 16s are 16 and 8 1s are 8. Now divide 16 by 8. What you will get? 8 2s are 16, so your answer will be 2. Fine, this is A part of question number first. Now let's start B part. B part is 7 multiplied by 21 upon 8. See, this is a whole number, and how we can write whole number as fraction? By placing 1 as denominator. So 7 can be written as fraction as 7 upon 1 and 21 upon 8. Now we have to multiply these two fractions. So what we will do, we will multiply the numerators 7 and 21 and multiply the denominators also. Okay, now 21 7s are 7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14 and 1 8s are 8. Now we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So what we will do, we will convert it into mixed fraction by dividing by 8. 8 1s are 8. Now 6, bring this 7 down. 8 8s are 64. Remainder is 3. So this will be 18 3 upon 8. Okay, so your answer will be 18 3 upon 8. Now let's start C part. C part is 4 by 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to dash. So first of all, we will write the whole number as fraction by placing 1 as the denominator like this. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply the numerators and the denominators like this. Okay, and 4 4s are 16, 5 1s are 5. Now this is an improper fraction, so convert it into mixed fraction. 5 3s are 15, remainder is 1, so this will be 3 1 upon 5. Okay, so your answer will be 3 1 upon 5. Now let's start D part. D part is 1 upon 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to dash. So first of all, we will write the whole number as fraction by placing 1 as denominator. Now multiply the numerators and denominators like this. Now 1 9s are 9, 4 1s are 4. Okay, now we have to convert it into mixed fraction. 9 divided by 4, 4 2s are 8, 1. So this will be 2 1 upon 4. Fine, so this is D part of question number first. Now let's start E part. E part is 1 upon 7 multiplied by 2 upon 5 is equal to dash. We have to fill in this dash. So what we will do, both these are fractions, both are fractions. So we will multiply the numerators and denominators like this. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 7 5s are 35. So your answer will be 2 upon 35. Okay, this is E part of question number first. Now let's start F part. F part is 56 multiplied by 7 upon 8. So first of all, we will write the whole number as fraction by placing 1 as denominator and 7 upon 8. Now multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators like this. Now 7 6 are 42, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 4 is 39 upon 8. Now divide 392 by 8. 8 4s are 32. 9 minus 2 is 7. Bring this 2 down. 8 9s are 72. So your answer will be 49. Okay, like this you will solve this question. There is one more method also. See what to do. Question is 56 multiplied by 7 upon 8. This is second method. Okay. Question is 56 multiplied by 7 upon 8. So simplify a numerator with a denominator. Okay, हम क्या करते हैं, न्यूमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. डिनोमिनेटर 8 कैन डिवाइड द न्यूमिनेटर 56. So 56 multiplied by 7 upon 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56. 8 can divide 56. 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56. Now multiply the numerator. 7 multiplied by 7, which is 49. Okay, like this you can solve this question.